With White Top Adventures, and today we're putting together the high roof ladder for our Ford Transit. This is what's going to be included in the package. You're going to get a lower section or upper section, a lower section, a lower bracket, and for your hardware, you're going to have some M10 by 25s. Those will be used for attaching the lower bracket to the ladder and from the lower bracket to the frame of the van. You're also going to have some M6 by 16s. Those are going to be for attaching the two halves of the ladder together in the middle. You're going to have some M8s. Now those M8s are going to be used at the top of the rack to mount the top of the ladder to the actual roof rack of the vehicle. And you're going to have a bag of these self tappers right here. And those guys will be used for drilling the bottom of the bracket into the underside of the van. So for hardware, that's what's going to be included in the van or in the package. And for tools you're going to be needing, you're going to need no, not going to need that. So you're going to need a M10. Oh no, you won't need that either because that's for the M6 nuts. Okay. You're going to need an M13 for the M8 nuts, and you're going to need an M17 or 17 millimeter socket for the 10 millimeter nuts. You're going to need a 4 millimeter for your M8s, and you're going to need a 3 millimeter for your M6s. You're going to need a 5/16 for your self tappers, and if you're using a drill for your bits, an adapter, and this gets the job done instead of having 10 different box wrenches. So yeah, let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is put these M6 by 16s in there. Just put this in here. Drop the torque down a little bit. So we're going to split these two, rotate them around, put them in here. Once they're attached, I'm going to thread in some of these guys. And there we go. Okay. Last two. And last one. Now it sounds like I'm cranking on them, but it's only at level 6, so honestly, that's not much torque at all. Next, we're going to go over to the ladder, take the ladder over to the van, and we're going to attach the top. So that's going to be using our M8s. So we're going to grab our M8s right here. I only need 2 of them, so I'm going to grab 2 of them. And nuts not necessary. There'll be washers in the package. So depending on where you have your crossbars mounted, you might have a crossbar mounted across here, in which case you won't need the nuts. But in this case, we have the crossbar spread and you're going to need nuts behind it. So we got washers, bolts. They're going to go through here, through here. I'm going to put the nut on the back side. It's going to hold it together. We're going to do that for the other two spots, so 3 spots in total, where it's going to attach. And right now, we're just going to loosely put it up until we get the bottom done as well. So that'll be good for now. But that holds the ladder in the right place. Now we'll go back down to the bottom and get that settled, and then come back up and tighten everything down. So at this point, we're going to go down into the bottom bracket. Now for this, you're going to want to use your M10s, and you're going to put 2 washers with each bolt. You're going to have 1 washer on each side, and the nut. This guy is going to go underneath the van. You'll see the oval cutout in the 2 holes in the van that this oval cutout lines up with. You're going to put a bolt through this way, through the oval cutout, or through the hole, washer and a nut on, and you're gonna sandwich that sheet metal underneath in between here. So we're gonna get under the van and go put that together, as well as the front of the ladder to hold this bracket, and we're gonna move it to underside the van, under the van, and I'm going to line it up with the bottom of the van. You will come around and see that from this side in a minute, but I'm gonna start by putting the hardware through. We got 2 M10s, and we're gonna put the washer on the inside under the bolt and a washer on the other side before the nut. Then I'm gonna come in with a second one, do it in the top hole. You need a washer and a nut for this one. So I'm putting my washer on and my nut in place. And then now we can move to underneath the van, where once you're under the van, you can kind of see how this bracket, this shelf right here, will line flush with the bottom of this guy right here. And you can see the indentation right here where it goes flat. This guy is going to line up with that flat. And there'll be another flat inside here between these 2 ribs. It'll line up there. So you take our self-tappers. I pre-drilled 2 holes just to make it easier to get the first 2 in. Okay. Get the rest of these guys in. Playing games. Okay. There we go. Right there. Okay. Let's go back in here. Get this guy. Back in. Finish putting in these guys. I got 2 underneath here. And that's the last one. So you got your self-tappers in. This is set up. We're gonna come back and we're gonna tighten these 2 M10s down. Okay, so again, top one, line up my little tool, and okay, there we go. We got those guys tight. Any excuse to get out from under the van is a good excuse. And washer nut go on the back, washer and bolt in the front, washer and nut in the back. Okay. Same tools again. Is there Allen up front? Okay. There we go. That's it. You can move back up top, tighten those M8s down. Okay, this guy. And we're done. You've now successfully put in your Transit high roof ladder.